In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Gemini and analyze PDF files with Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your document into Gemini and ask clear, effective questions to extract the insights you need. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main chat screen. If you've used Gemini before, you should see your recent conversations. If this is your first time on a new device, confirm you're signed in with the account you want to use, so your uploads and chats are saved where you expect them. Next, click the plus icon to start a fresh chat. This gives you a clean space focused on the PDF you're about to upload, which keeps your prompts and answers organized. You'll usually find the plus button near the chat area or along the sidebar. Opening a new chat helps Gemini focus and avoids pulling context from older conversations. Now, click Upload File and locate your PDF. Look for an upload or paperclip icon in the message box. Choose your PDF from your computer or cloud storage and confirm. Larger files may take a moment to process, so give it a little time to finish uploading. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the file isn't corrupted and that your connection is stable. Keeping file names clear can also help you spot the right document quickly. If you're working with a very long PDF, consider that detailed queries might take a bit longer to process. Once your PDF is uploaded, enter your prompts about the file. Be as specific as possible to get the best results. For example, ask for a concise summary, the main arguments, or the key findings. If you need detail, reference a section title or a page number, like summarize the methodology on page 12, or extract the action items from the conclusion. You can request comparisons across sections, ask for definitions of technical terms found in the text, or have Gemini outline steps, timelines, and named entities that appear in the document. If the PDF includes data, ask Gemini to identify trends, pull out figures, or describe tables in plain language. Follow up with clarifying questions to refine the answer, and don't hesitate to ask for bullet-free, paragraph-style explanations if you prefer a certain format. When accuracy matters, ask Gemini to cite the page or heading where it found the information so you can verify it in the original PDF. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, start a new chat with the plus icon, upload the PDF, and then guide Gemini with clear, targeted prompts. Try it with one of your documents and build from there.